When we begin working with athletes, the idea is that we want to assess their current status. If they're coming from an injured state or if they're just looking to improve their level of performance, we have to have a baseline to know where they are and then know where we want to go. If the athlete needs to get faster or the athlete needs to get stronger, how much faster and how much stronger. So we can quantify our efforts to be able to track that appropriately. Just because an athlete can squat 600 pounds doesn't necessarily make them a better athlete. There are things we begin to sacrifice. So we're constantly adjusting the needs of the athlete because after all, it's outcomes based. We have to see on the field transfer, on the court transfer of athletic ability, not just the strength, mobility, and flexibility. They have to move better. They have to have better hand-eye coordination, timing, and to be able to put that either in an individual or a team setting, we're constantly having to monitor all aspects of that, not just strength, not just flexibility, but their overall picture as well.
Well, and I think in the professional sports world, they have these resources. As we go to college, they get a little less. In high school, it's pretty much non-existent. And so, even though these kids, a lot of these high school kids are very good athletes, and we're trying to protect them and make them be the best athletes they can be. And that's what, utilizing our trainers to do very much sport-focused training and rehabilitation. I think it protects them, it improves their skill and makes it safe for them to compete.
Definitely.